In this lesson, we're going to be looking at writing rational numbers in descending order of size. Okay, so as we begin, just let's look at a quick definition, a fun definition. What do we mean by rational? What do we mean by descending order of size, rather? Now, descending means that we're going from the largest, and let me just make some quick notes here, from the largest, and I'm going to the smallest. Okay, so when we're dealing with descending order, it means that I'm going from something big to something small. And you know how I like to use my diagrams, so I'm just going to use a quick little diagram here to show you what I'm talking about. Now just bear with my drawings because I'm not an artist. Okay, so let's draw aeroplane here. And now just imagine that this aeroplane is flying in mid-air. Okay, so that's our aeroplane. Okay, and it's up there in mid-air. And as I said, bear with my drawings. So we'll have some stuff coming out of the back there. Okay, so let's say that this is my window. I have a window here, and I have another window here, and another window there. Okay, and let's put some wings on our airplane. So I'm going to put some nice wings here, some nice wings. I'm trying to get this as best as possible. Okay, good. That's pretty good. I think that's good enough for my drawing based on my standards. Okay, and we would have another wing there. Now the important thing I want you to note now is that imagine an airplane is in the air, so the airplane would be in the air up here. Okay guys, and it's about to land, so it would be coming down to land on the ground. And let's say here is the ground, here is our runway. Okay, so let's say right there is our runway. Let me just write ground, okay, for short. Now the aeroplane is in the air and it's about to land, so it would be coming down from up high to down low. Now as the airplane moves from a high altitude to a low altitude, meaning it's coming from up in the air, as it comes down to touch the ground, we would say that the aeroplane is descending. Let me change my color. Okay, we would say here now that the airplane is descending. So let me make a note here. So this movement of the airplane would be called descending. So that's what we mean by descending. I'm moving from a high place and I'm going down to a lower place. Okay, now in an exam we could be given some numbers and we're asked rather to write them in descending order of size. So let's look at some practical examples, given that we would have understood this practical definition. Now we could be asked to write the following numbers in descending order. Descending, this is a G, order of size. Okay, so we're asked to write the following numbers in descending order of size, and we are given -1, 13, we're given 5, 9, and 12. Okay, now in writing these numbers in descending order of size, and I'll just use a number line. I have my number line here. I will just use it in order to give us a better appreciation of what we are speaking about. So let me just pull it up a bit. Let me just get that a bit and take it up here. Okay, so we're asked to write -1, 13, 5, 9, and 12 in descending order of size. So before we can write them in descending order of size, we would let's just do a quick comparison to see where the numbers would fall. Okay, so let's determine which number is the largest. The largest number here would be 13. So 13 would fall somewhere here on the number line. We would have a 13 there. Okay, and then our next number would be 12. Okay, so 12 would fall just 1 unit below 13. The next number that we have in the group that would follow coming from largest to smallest, and I would like you to make a note of the direction that I'm going in. Since I was asked to write the numbers in descending order of size, I'm moving from my high to low, or my largest to my smallest number. Now the next number that would follow would be, in this group, would be 9. So I would have a 9 there, and my next number would be 5. So I would have a 5 somewhere here, and then my final number would be -1. So I would have a -1 somewhere down here. Okay guys, so I have now located all my numbers at the corresponding points on the number line. So I can just make a quick note to say in, and I'm just making a note now, and this would be my answer: in descending order. I would have, first number I would have is 13, 13, 12, 9, 5, and -1. So that's what we mean by descending order of size, and that would be my answer, guys. It's that easy. Okay, all right. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them, or you can even rate this video if it has helped you in any way. Okay, bye bye.